Now, here is how you can remove old Apple ID from App Store on the iPad. Let's get started. So let me just explain that real quick, because if you go to the settings and go to the, profile section at the top of the list right there, you can manage everything regarding to your Apple account. And you can see we have the media and purchases right there indicated by the App Store icon. So you can view your account like that. And you can get inside and you can see so many options and everything, right? Like you can remove this device from this section, but generally speaking, your Apple ID, like your Apple account, is tied to everything Apple related, including the App Store. So in order to sign out from the App Store, you have to sign out of the entire Apple ID from the iPad, which is a huge step, right? So at the bottom of this main profile section, we have the sign out button. It's indicated with a red color, and it will ask you multiple different times if you really want to do it, as every single thing will then just stop working, right? Like you will not be able to access your iCloud, your synchronization, family sharing, subscriptions, and all of the other things will stop working because you are signing out from the Apple account. But if you need to get rid of this old Apple ID from App Store, you can only do it this way, like remove it from the entire iPad and then sign back in with a fresh other account. So this is how it works. I know it's not that simple, I guess, but it's all tied together. So this is just how it functions. Let me know what you think about that below. Most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and guides similar to this one, and I'll see you later in the future videos.